Traders, wow, what an amazing evening we're having right now. If you're short the market, it is June 26th at about 1 in the morning or so. Everybody's sleeping and they're dumping the market. I mean, what else do you expect, right? Let's look at some of these gains right now on SPX that we're having for the June 26 expirations. You can view this on Robinhood if you ever want to take a look at the market while everyone's sleeping. You can look at all these puts that are printing now. This one's $6,430. Right over here, the perfect entry. There would have been two of them. So if you would have took advantage of the market when it, took a pretty solid dump on the 22nd, you could have positioned here for around, and of course, this would, in hindsight, this would have been the perfect entry. But $800 investment sold on the 23rd, which you could have sold in the middle of the night. You can also trade SPX 24 hours up until 9:15 a.m. So you could have sold this position around 4 o'clock in the morning if you would have had it set to limit sell. But yeah, you would have made what? So 4,790 at its peak. And then, of course, as the market gets ready to open, they're going to bring these prices all the way back down to balance the chain. There would have been another entry here on that strike at around 1,400. And then, most people would have sold numerous times. You can see all the areas that you had a chance to sell and then reposition. Well, yeah, right now it's selling for what you could sell right now if you were holding that position at 6,500. So, do the math on something like that, with about 10 contracts. Look at those gains. So do the math. If you would have got in early, anywhere at $1,200 or less, and had the ability to be able to hold these positions, I mean, you're making a shit ton of money right now. That's for sure. But of course, that's all in hindsight. Right now, we are definitely experiencing a pullback in the market. And where are we going, right? I mean, where are we going? That's the big question. I think one of the things that we can look at is the potential top of the market could have been right here on June 2nd. And a little bit of a fight here to double top. And a lot of big funds and institutions are repositioning. So they got the market right back up, and then you're seeing another decline. I think we're headed back down to the, if we break 725, right now we're at 727, but if we break the 725 level, we're definitely headed to the 720 to the 700s. It could be fast, it could be pre-market, or it could be after hours, but we're definitely heading there. And we're going to see a big fight here at the 700 level. But if they break that in the next few weeks, then I think we're going to see 680s for sure. All right, traders, get ready, buckle up. It's going to be a lot of money to be made on the short side and pretty volatile. So some of the bears might sell out early. Why not take the profit and take advantage of some of these trends where you can also make money on the way right back up using calls. All right, take care, and you guys enjoy the week.